What should be your first video? Well, I think it's really important we cover one topic first. Why do you need to make a video? I know there's a lot of production companies say the same thing. It improves your SEO ranking, it improves your conversion rate. 85% of customers are more likely to buy after watching a product video. Do I believe that? Hell no. I don't believe that's true because all videos are different. No video's the same. You've got lots of videos out there. You've got animation, time lapse, montage. There's loads of them. And then you get good and bad videos amongst them as well. So how do you choose the right video? Well, for me, your first video needs to do a few things. It needs to put a face to the brand, but it also needs to show the genuine nature of your business and what it is you sell. Now, after I've said put a face to your brand, a lot of you are thinking straight away, he wants me on camera. Yes, I do. I'm afraid, I'm sorry. Running your own business is tough and you have to wear lots of hats. And if you want to make a successful business today, then I'm afraid you're going to have to eventually make a corporate video because it is so effective. The reason you're using a person is people buy off people. And there's a reason people buy off people, because it's easier to trust somebody when you can read their facial expressions. Now, that's what you're doing with a video. You're putting a person in front of them which will allow them to make their judgments they need to generate trust from the person they're buying from. Think about right now. Within the first 8 seconds, you made a lot of assumptions and judgments based on the way I look. And it's important that you do, because it's the natural process that we've developed over our entire evolution. Don't try and be the next Jeremy Clarkson. It's more important that you just be yourself. And it's not necessarily important what you look like, even though it does help, but it's more important that you're a human and they can read your facial expression so they can trust you. So what else do you need to do in your first video? Well, the first 10 seconds are really important. So get your elevator pitch in then and really get their attention, and then introduce yourself. Don't put a fancy graphic at the beginning that lasts 10 to 15 seconds, because I'm sorry, you're going to lose a big percentage of your audience before your video's even started. In every industry there are preconceptions, so you always get customers asking very similar questions when you first meet their sales rep. So what you're going to do is you're going to cover them questions in your video, which will really help put them at ease and start the process of trust. I don't need to tell you how important referrals are. For a lot of companies, it's still the #1 way of getting new business. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your customers as a referral process on your video. Like Amazon and other companies use referral at the bottom of the page. So you're going to use them to cement and guarantee what you have just said about your company is true. And they're going to prove that by stating what you are like in the testimonials. Don't be afraid to ask your customers to be in the film. I know not all of them will, but actually a lot of them will be flattered. And we've been making films, we've been really surprised by the response of people when you go, oh, would you like to be in this video, or can you help us and appear in this video? Most people love it and they love the idea of it. Practice, practice and practice until you're happy that actually the standard of the video that you make represents the same standard that you have as a brand or your company has. Do your research, make sure you cover every element of the filmmaking process, because people are used to high quality video footage on TV and they are going to notice if there is anything wrong or you are missing anything on your video. But don't worry, we're here to help. We're going to go through every element needed to make a successful video that will actually get you results. And we're going to hopefully get in a few guests to help us along the way. So please subscribe and follow us, and hopefully in the next few months you're going to learn a lot more about how to make a video that will get you the results. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now.